Welcome to the orangeHRM web installation video. This guide will show you how to install orangeHRM in your Windows PC. Knowledge you gain here can be used to install orangeHRM in your company's web server. orangeHRM is a web-based application that has been written in PHP language, and it uses a MySQL database to store data. It runs on PHP-enabled Apache web server. Provided that both Apache and MySQL are running, you can access orangeHRM via your web browser. To install orangeHRM in your PC, you need to have Apache, MySQL, and PHP already installed. All these software products are free and open source. Installing each of them manually can be tedious, so we recommend XAMPP, which is a free software pack that installs Apache, MySQL, PHP, and some more useful software utilities. You can download XAMPP at apachefriends.org. For installing orangeHRM in your PC, you basically have two options. One is to first install Apache, MySQL, and PHP in your PC, and then running the orangeHRM web installer. We recommend XAMPP for installing Apache, MySQL, and PHP easily. Second option is to use orangeHRM one-click installer that installs XAMPP and orangeHRM at once. If you haven't already installed Apache, MySQL, and PHP in your PC, then this would be the fastest solution. Let's have a quick look at orangeHRM download options. Enter www.orangehrm.com/download.php into your web browser. Scroll down a bit and you will find download options for the orangeHRM stable release. First one is the orangeHRM source archive in zip format. Second one is the same archive in gz format. If you are a Linux user, you would prefer this format. Third one is the orangeHRM one-click installer called orangeHRM Appliance. First two options are around 2 MB, while the orangeHRM one-click installer is around 70 MB. It's large in size since it contains XAMPP in addition to orangeHRM. This video tutorial is on using the orangeHRM web installer. Therefore, we proceed with the zip archive, assuming that you have already installed Apache, MySQL, and PHP. If you prefer one-click installer, check our video on installing orangeHRM using one-click installer. After downloading orangeHRM zip archive, extract it using your favorite file archive software. After extracting, you will see your orangeHRM source folder and orangeHRM Quick Start Guide. orangeHRM Quick Start Guide contains useful links to the orangeHRM website, where the installation process is explained in detail. The orangeHRM source folder contains all the content that is needed to run the application. Next task is to copy the orangeHRM source folder into the Apache web folder. I have used XAMPP to install Apache, and my Apache web folder is the htdocs folder on XAMPP. I copied the orangeHRM source folder from the desktop to the htdocs folder. I prefer to remove the version number so that I can refer to it using just orangeHRM. Next step is to start the orangeHRM web installer. Before doing that, make sure both Apache and MySQL are running. Then type in your web browser http://localhost/orangehrm to start the web installer. Note how I determined the web address of orangeHRM. It's localhost plus the orangeHRM folder name that I located in the htdocs folder. Click the next button to proceed. orangeHRM is distributed under GNU General Public License. You have to accept it to continue the installation. In the database configuration screen, you can set the database information for the installation. Since I am installing orangeHRM in my PC, I will leave database hostname and database port to default values. For the database name, I will simply use orangeHRM. Then you have to enter the username and password of a privileged database user that can create the database you specify. In default XAMPP installation, the most privileged database user is root, with an empty password. Next, specify a database user to associate with the orangeHRM database. You can simply use the privileged database user for this. orangeHRM can encrypt sensitive information like social security number and basic salary when storing in the database. You can either enable this option or leave it. Here I enable it. In the System Check screen, the installer checks your PC for all the requirements that are needed to run orangeHRM. If everything is fine, you should see all the listed items in green. If there is an issue in any requirement, the installer will show it in red color with a question mark that takes you to the help file where it shows how to correct the issue. After correcting issues, remember to click on Recheck button. Next task is to create an admin user for orangeHRM. After installing, you have to log in as admin to set important settings. Next screen, confirm the settings you set so far. If you want to change any setting, click the back button and change it. If every setting looks correct, click the install button to start the installation. The installer will execute each step of the installation process and show you the progress. After all steps are complete, click the next button to proceed. At the final step, you can register with orangeHRM. By registering with orangeHRM, you will receive product updates and other important information free of charge. You will also build relationship with orangeHRM that will help you to get the best out of the product. For this demonstration, I skipped the registration, but if you haven't registered with us yet, we highly recommend the registration. Congratulations! You have successfully installed orangeHRM in your PC and joined the happy community of orangeHRM users. Enter your admin details and log into the system. Thank you for taking the time to watch the orangeHRM web installer video. We hope you know how to use orangeHRM web installer now. For video tutorials on how to use orangeHRM, check our training materials. You can enhance the functionality of orangeHRM using add-ons. orangeHRM provides professional support plans that cover moving to orangeHRM to maintain it smoothly. You can check our customization options to customize orangeHRM to suit your company's needs. orangeHRM is supported by a vast community. Engage in the discussions forum at our forum. You can check latest updates and news about orangeHRM at our